where the deer and dopers play. You got the mic, you got the stage, what you got to say? Quixotic, psychotic, living on the teacher pay. Got more clout in this town, take a survey. Palomora TV, digging nightly news routes. Discomfort, jellyfish tangled in a tight group. Piss on the bite, you know it ain't true. Got a sleeve of tattoos, they all see through. Gonna light up my grill with your baby tooth. Age 3, I bit more bars than I could chew. Don't count your chickens till they belong to you. Hit the nail on the head, get some too. Just kidding, y'all, I'm married. Yo, y'all, I hear you ball like cheetah. I ball like a teacher. And Centennial, yo, we ain't beefing, bro, I'm vegan. King of the hill, give it a fill. Propane pill, wanna rap like me? Head up to the castle, top of the hill.
Juggernaut, Juggernaut.
Yo. Picking my beefs like price kettle. Shooters get steamed like rice kettles. Or they get spun like bike pedals. And they get bling like bright metals. Sentient rappers ain't safe. Hessian fabricating case. Dead them, leaving them slain. And then we can engage. I'm the super villain and you and your group are killing. I'm having a lucid vision that rap is my true position. You and your dudes are flexing Louis and Gucci bags. And they are a news possession. It's true with a boom question. Flexing beamers, you ain't blessed with. Neither we electing leaders, you dyslexic. Readers ain't no text, so heaters, we be branding. Females on your necks, I'm feeding better respect than greeters.
Juggernaut,
I'm sick of the fake flex, pissed on like a red text. But Gucci and Lambos, Louis on the side, don't mean that you up next, nah. It's game for game, yeah. Get ready for change. Cause I'm taking over, it won't be the same with my name on the stage. I'ma be the one to bring back the rap game. I don't wanna ride with a bunch of fake fame. I'm keeping it real with the shit that I say. All of you think that my rap's on okay? Okay, fuck you, wait a minute. Oh, you think you gonna make it? I swear to God, you ain't humble. I saw it on a post, that ain't winning. Hog on my fans, you think that I don't? You think you're the best, flexing on the gram? Man, that's really bad. Thinking that money's the way, you must be sad. But I'll show you this game, I'll show you rejection. Teach you to rap, give you a lesson. Cause this shit ain't easy, this is what rap is. Sit the fuck down, class is now on session. Gucci, Louis, all on your wrist. Get the next bus when you up on the list. Where's a real rap, real life, real meaning? Guess I gotta do another rap meeting. I'm sick of the fake flex. Cause you get the money you don't even need. Some of us rappers got people to feed on their knees when the food is a struggle to breathe.
That's all. Fake flex. Why bother flexing the shit that